Good morning, dear students. In our today's English session, we will start a new lesson, Curlylocks and the Three Bears, Unit 6. It is a very beautiful story and it is interesting too. I know that you all will definitely enjoy it. So, first I will read the story and I will explain you, and then we will do new words with meaning, make a sentence, and then question answer. So you all watch all videos properly, pay attention carefully, and then complete all your work properly in your notebook. Students, open your English textbook, page number 96, Unit 6, Curlylocks and the Three Bears. Let's start this beautiful story. Pay attention carefully how I am reading and then try to understand the story also. It's a very beautiful and interesting story. So let's start. Once there was a girl with curly hair. Right? Once there was a girl with curly hair. Like this is wavy, roll hair. Okay, that is curly hair. Her name was Curlylocks. What was her name? Curlylocks. One day she went into the forest near her house. One day where did she go? She went into one forest, one jungle. And that forest is near her house. उसके house के पास में था. She saw a cottage. What did she see? Cottage. Cottage means a small house. She saw a cottage. Is anybody in? She asked. Right? Before entering that cottage, she asked that is anybody in? कोई है? There was nobody. There was nobody. कोई भी नहीं. The bear family lived in the cottage. Who lived in the cottage? The bear family. Okay, bear की family रहती थी वो cottage में. They had gone for a walk. Right? Where? They had gone for a walk. Curlylocks went in. Now Curlylocks entered in that cottage. Because nobody was inside and she entered in. She wanted to see who lived there. Why she entered in that cottage? Because she wanted to know that who is there in the cottage, who is living in that cottage. She saw 3 bowls of porridge on the table. What did she saw? She saw 3 bowls of porridge. उसने क्या देखा? 3 bowls देखे porridge से भरे हुए. What is porridge? Porridge means cereal, right? That is boiled in hot water. Okay, cereals. That is known as porridge. There was a big bowl for Papa Bear, a middle-sized bowl for Mama Bear, and a tiny little bowl for Baby Bear. 3 bowls were there for whom? सबसे बड़ा big bowl for Papa Bear का medium size bowl for Mama Bear, and tiny little bowl सबसे छोटा bowl for Baby Bear. Curlylocks was hungry. Now this girl Curlylocks was very hungry. Means he also wants to have some food. She ate the porridge from the big bowl. Right? First what did she do? She ate porridge from the big bowl, बड़ा bowl में से. It was very hot. How? It was very hot. She ate from the middle size bowl. Then she ate from the middle size. Right? From Mama Bear's bowl. It was too cold. Right? First was hot, garam. Second was too cold, thanda. She ate from the tiny little bowl. It was just right. Then at last from where did she eat? From the tiny little bowl, and it was just right. It was perfect. Goldilocks ate up all the porridge. And what did Goldilocks do? He ate up all the porridge from all the bowls. Then she went to the bedroom. Right? Then she went to the bedroom of the cottage. See here, Belle's family. They had gone for a walk. So they were not in the cottage. Only Goldilocks was there in the cottage. So he ate all the porridge and then she entered into the bedroom. There was a big bed for Papa Bear, a middle-sized bed for Mama Bear, and a tiny little bed for Baby Bear. Now, what were there in the bedroom? Big bed, bada sa bed for Papa Bear, middle-sized bed for Mama Bear, and a tiny little bed for Baby Bear. See here, 3 bowls given, Papa, Mama and Baby. And then she entered in the bedroom, and what did she see there? She saw a big bed for Papa Bear, middle-sized bed for Mama Bear, and tiny little bed for Baby Bear. The big bed was now turn the page, hard. First she saw that big bed. Let's go to the big bed, but it was very hard. The middle-sized bed was too soft. Then she entered in the middle-sized bed, right? She saw middle-sized bed, but it was too soft. But the tiny little bed was just right. But the tiny little bear, the bed of Baby Bear, was perfect, not too hard, not too soft. Goldilocks fell asleep in the tiny little bed. Okay, then on the Baby Bear's bed, Goldilocks fell asleep. The bear family came back. Now who returned? Bear family. Somebody ate my porridge, shouted Papa Bear in his big gruff voice. Right? What? When the bear family returned that cottage, then at that time Papa Bear saw that, oh, somebody ate my porridge. Bear in his big gruff voice. Gruff voice means low and harsh voice, right? That is gruff voice. So Papa Bear's voice is like this, gruff voice. So he shouted that somebody ate my porridge. Somebody ate my porridge too, said Mama Bear. Right? Mama Bear spoke softly that, oh, somebody also ate my porridge too. किसी ने मेरी porridge भी खा ली. Somebody finished all my porridge, said Baby Bear in his tiny little voice, that somebody had finished my all porridge. The bear family went to the bedroom. Now, after observing all bowls, the bear family went to the bedroom. Somebody slept in my bed, shouted Papa Bear in his big gruff voice. Now again Papa Bear shouted, somebody slept in my bed. Somebody slept in my bed too, said Mama Bear. Right? From the bed they can know that somebody slept in their bed. So they both spoke that, oh, somebody slept in our bed. Then Baby Bear in his tiny little voice, somebody is sleeping in my bed, said Baby Bear in his tiny little voice. बेबी बेर ने भी उसकी छोटी सी आवाज़ में बोला, somebody is sleeping in my bed. Right now somebody is sleeping in my bed. See, he told to his Papa Bear and Mama Bear. Goldilocks woke up. She saw the 3 bears. Now suddenly Goldilocks woke up, listening the sounds of this baby bear. So suddenly she woke up and she saw the 3 bears in front of her. So what did she do? She jumped down and ran out of the cottage as fast as she could. So she jumped down from the bed and ran. बहुत जल्दी दौड़ के चली गई. As fast as she could. जितनी जल्दी दौड़ सके उतनी जल्दी वो वहाँ से दौड़ के चली गई. She ran away. So this is the story. This story is adapted from Goldilocks and the 3 bears. right? This is the name of the book, and from this book this story has been taken. So you all again read this story properly. Students, see here you can see the bed where Curly Locks was sleeping, and when she saw the three bears, what happened to her? See, she is surprised and she jumped down. See, she is trying to jumping down. See. Okay, so see the picture properly. It is there in your textbook.